Hi, this is Emily with the University of Maryland Extension, and we are bringing you a series on tree care. We're going to show you some common mispractices that often happen when trees are planted in our landscapes and how they can be fixed or avoided. I'm here in Frederick, Maryland in a public park area, and notice how this dogwood here is planted too deeply. The trunk is going straight down into the ground like a telephone pole. That's not what we want to see. Unfortunately, when we buy trees from nurseries, they often come already buried too deeply, so we don't realize we're planting them too deep. We want to see a trunk that comes down and flares out at the bottom, kind of like the stem on a wine glass, comes straight down and then flares out. That'll help the roots of the tree extend out into the soil to receive water and nutrients in the soil. It helps stabilize the tree better as well. When trees are planted too deeply, it can cause some issues down the road. It causes a place for the wood to rot out. It can get disease and insect problems down there. And it also can cause girdling roots. We can see over here on this hawthorn how it maybe was planted too deeply or mulched too high at some point, and now it's getting a girdling root. Sometimes if we catch this early enough, it can be corrected, and other times it can be detrimental to the tree's health. So stick with us, we'll show you some more tips.